Right, I was going to do one of these videos a while back, but I have just got a brand new drone bag today. It's the same as my last one, but unfortunately the last one I had, the zipper went on it, but I thought I would do a video about it considering it's brand new, just let you know what's in my bag. Let's get to it and see what I have got in here. So I've got both drones on the top. At the front, they do supply a clip at the front for this one, which is quite handy, but you obviously are going to need to buy some more for the other down here. Got the third clip on the side. Moving on to what's inside it. So the zipper goes the whole way around the back, zips up and then opens up like this. One thing I will mention about this, I will go into detail on what's in this pocket, but I am going to put some Velcro here. I don't know why they didn't put a zipper there, really stupid idea. Okay, so when you get this, the bag, you get all this foam stuff for the middle, so you can design it the way you want inside. It came with 4 different size pieces to customize it, but I'm not using these 2 pieces because I only need this one and this one. Transmitter at the top, obviously not good to have everything else weighed down on it. This is top of the bag. I did have it at the bottom once before, and I have lost a couple of switches doing that because there was so much weight being pushed down on it, so I made sure that my transmitter is at the top because it doesn't have a case for it. Next side, goggles. This pocket is quite big, so I actually have some antennas in a bag at the top, spare antennas. And middle compartment, got prop bag. This is the Ethics one. It's clockwise props, counterclockwise props, and in the middle is broken props. Very handy, so you don't have to keep carrying around these extra bags of props. I mean, the only reason I've got them is because I've got way too many props in my bag and they won't all fit in here. So that's why I'm carrying around this, but this, it was about £9–10. Brilliant. Makes things very, very organised. Moving on, battery bag. Probably not a good idea to be using a bag like this. If one of these Lipos catches fire in this bag, that's pretty much my whole bag going up in flames. And I am getting a Lipo bag soon, but for now I'm putting my Lipos in this, but probably not a good idea to do that long term, because you definitely don't want your bag going up in flames. This pocket, I've got a whole bunch of cables. Got a Lipo. Oh, let me take all the cables out. Actually, hold on. Right, so I've got my FPV camera control device. I mean, I don't really use this, but it's always good to have one. So I've got one for the, I think this is for the Fox here, and this is for the run cam. So I've got two of those. I've got a micro USB device that plugs into my drone, and then I've got a special device that connects into my phone, so I can use the Betaflight firmware or Betaflight configurator on my phone. I don't use Betaflight anymore, but a lot of the guys that I fly with do, so it's nice to have this handy. It has helped out on a few occasions. And then I've got an extra USB-C device, GoPro-C device, so I can charge my GoPro out in the field. This handy dandy device, this converts 2 to 6S Lipos into 5V, 9V or 12V, I believe. It will tell you what your battery voltage is coming out of it, what the battery voltage is going into it, and it will also has a cut-off on there, so if it gets to a certain voltage it will stop charging anything that it's connected to, so you don't damage your Lipo batteries. The amount of times I've been out on the road and I've actually used this to charge my phone or my GoPros or anything like that, it's definitely a handy tool to have. Everything's falling out of here. I definitely need to get the Velcro on this as soon as possible because everything just keeps falling out and I could see me losing everything on here. But got camera butter filters and TBS filters. Got this little pot here. This is like my bits and bobs. Open it. There we go. Lipo checker, just a backup one just in case. This device that plugs into my phone, and then I can plug USB into it. I've got a little tiny card reader on here, so if I'm out in the field and my GoPro's full, my SD card's full, I can plug it in and get all my footage off, and that way I don't run out of space on my GoPros. Has happened a few times, and this has saved me from having to delete files. I've also got some standoffs in here, some extra screws which I have had to use in the past. It's just good to have some, you know, extra bits and bobs in case, you know, things like that. Very handy. Handy dandy. Oops. Anyways, moving on to the front. Right, so on the front we have got this, which I thought was awesome. Put all my tools in here, got my scissors, got, you know, needle nose pliers, got my driver, got tape, got zip ties, you know, pretty much anything you might need when you're out. I have pretty much used every single one of these tools while I've been out. This tool sorting device comes with this bag, so it is very, very handy, and that just obviously slots into the front, nice and flat and easily accessible. You don't even have to open the normal compartment to get to it. And then behind the bag I've got another pocket in here which has got an extra lanyard in it, spare one if I ever need it, and a whole bunch of battery straps. There is a whole bunch of other pockets in here as well if you ever need them. So pockets there, pocket there for more tools, stuff like that. It's lovely. Side pocket, got my lanyard, my actual main one, and I normally carry this around with me, you know, most of the year. It's just my beanie and my fingerless gloves. You never know when you might need them when you're a bit chilly, so I just take it with me anyways, just in case. Then on the last side I've got my GoPro selfie stick, which obviously converts into a tripod. It's got a tripod at the bottom, and my normal battery checker, which I keep handy in the pocket just so I can get to it easier, and that just slots in there like that. I mean, this bag, I think it's about 50 quid if you add in shipping. I'll see if I'll definitely include the link down in the description for it, but I only bought it just as a, you know, just something I could take all my drone stuff in to the field. It was just a, you know, a quick decision thing a couple of years ago, but this bag has definitely surpassed my expectations. It's really well made. It's got a lot of space in it. I mean, I can carry 3 drones on this, and, you know, about 15-20 batteries in the bag itself, a whole bunch of props, you know, all the tools I need are in here. It also comes with a full-size raincoat, which will fit over the bag with drones on it as well. So if you've got like two drones on here, and then I've got one on the side normally, it will actually fit the whole way around this bag, all the way up to about here, so it covers all the way around here. So, and it is obviously fully waterproof, and that just stays in there when you're not needing it. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I thought I'd just give my input on this bag. I mean, if you're on a budget but you need a bag, this is definitely an option to consider. Anyways guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please give this video a like, and I will see you next time. Cheers.